Question number 1, Pakistan Foreign Policy Dilemma written by, that answer is Shamshad Ahmad. Question number 2, who was the first governor of State Bank of Pakistan? That answer is Zahid Hussain. Question number 3, which of the following country became the full member of EU on January 2023? That answer is Croatia. Question number 4, who was the second Governor General of Pakistan? That answer is Khwaja Nazim-Ur-Din. Question number 5, the book Jinnah the Sole Spokesman is written by? That answer is Aisha Jalal. Question number 6, storage device that uses lasers and lights as its technology of reading and writing information is known as? That answer is optical storage. Question number 7, Pakistan Happiness Development Index 2023, that answer is 108. Question number 8, the Sino-Indian War was fought in? That answer is 1962. Question number 9, which one of the following page orientation by default is used in MS Word? That answer is portrait. Question number 10, which of the following is the first Prime Minister of Pakistan to visit China? That answer is Hussain Shahid Suhrawardi. Question number 11, when Allama Shibli Nomani died? That answer is 18 November 1914. Question number 12, what is the length of Pakistan-China border? That answer is 599 kilometers. Question number 13, World Ozone Day is celebrated every year on? That answer is 16th September. Question number 14, the rate at which temperature decreases with increasing altitude is known as? That answer is the lapse rate. Question number 15, Waris Shah was the author of? That answer is Heer Ranjha. Question number 16, who was the last Viceroy of India? That answer is Lord Mountbatten. Question number 17, who is the current head of state in Success Afghanistan? That answer is Habatullah Akhundzada. Question number 18, how many Governor Generals ruled over Pakistan? That answer is 4. Question number 19, who is the current Prime Minister of Saudi Arabia? That answer is Mohammed bin Salman. Question number 20, when Drive Abdul Qadir Khan was died? 10th October 2021. Question number 21, how many countries share border with Pakistan? That answer is 4. Question number 22, Queen Elizabeth II died on which date? That answer is 8th September 2022. Question number 23, which of the following state was acceded to Pakistan on 15th August 1947? That answer is Junagadh. Question number 24, pasteurization of milk depends on? That answer is both A and B. Question number 25, penicillin was discovered by? That answer is Alexander Fleming. Question number 26, the predecessor of British Prime Minister Rishi Sunak was? That answer is Liz Truss. Question number 27, Mosenthans was the minister of? No answer found. Question number 28, which of the following American president did not visit Pakistan? That answer is Barack Obama. Question number 29, how many countries are member of ASEAN? That answer is 10. Question number 30, World Trade Organization was founded in? That answer is 1995. Question number 31, Regional Cooperation for Development was established in? That answer is 1964. Question number 32, which of the following is the default view of MS Word? That answer is print layout. Question number 33, how much percentage of Kashmir is under the control of China? That answer is 15%. Question number 34, how much percentage of Kashmir is under the control of India? That answer is 55%. Question number 35, who was the PM of India during the Indo-Pak War of 1965? That answer is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Question number 36, which of the following has maximum water content? That answer is fruits. Question number 37, Nancy Pelosi is controversial in the news because she visited which country? That answer is Taiwan. Question number 38, the foundation stone of Muhammad Ali Jinnah Mausoleum was laid by? That answer is Ayub Khan. Question number 39, the Fred Hollows Foundation is an international development organization working for? That answer is eliminating avoidable blindness. Question number 40. First Secretary General of OIC was, that answer is Tunku Abdul Rahman. Question number 41. Who is Jair Bolsonaro? That answer is Brazil President. Question number 42. In which year nuclear test conducted by India? 18 May 1974. Question number 43. Sukarno belongs to which country? That answer is Indonesia. Question number 44. Which was the first princely state to accede Pakistan? That answer is Bahawalpur. Question number 45. Economic Cooperation Organization was established in? That answer is 1985. Question number 46. Who is the current Secretary of State of USA? That answer is Antony Blinken. Question number 47. The newly elected President of Brazil is? That answer is Lula da Silva. Question number 48. What is gutter margin in MS Word? That answer is margin that is added to the binding side of page when printing. Question number 49. Brass gets discolored in air because of the presence of which of the following gases in air? That answer is hydrogen sulfide. Question number 50. Diamond is an allotropic form of? That answer is carbon. Question number 51. What does BCC means in email? That answer is blind carbon copy. Question number 52. The formula of quartz is? That answer is SiO2. Question number 53. Which country is not a member of SARC? That answer is Myanmar. Question number 54. Which country is not a member of ASEAN? That answer is Bangladesh. Question number 55. Which of the following continent have no desert? That answer is Europe. Question number 56. Who was the father of computer? That answer is Charles Babbage. Question number 57. Which Mughal emperor buried in Lahore? That answer is Jahangir. Question number 58. The Sustainable Development Goals are a collection of dash interlinked goals. That answer 17. Question number 59. The SDGs were set in 2015 by the? That answer United Nations General Assembly. Question number 60. The ratio of last year income of ABC was 3:4:5 while the ratio of their last year income to current year income is 4:5 to 3 and 3:4 respectively. If their total current year income is rupees 98500, find the present income of A. That answer is rupees 22500. Question number 61. Which is the oldest freezing method? That answer is brine freezing. Question number 62. Refers to a pre-made images ready for use in MS Word documents. That answer is clip art. Question number 63. Kashmiri leader Zakir Musa killed by India in which year? That answer is 2019. Question number 64. Vaccine was discovered by? That answer is Edward Jenner. Question number 65. Which of the following gases has role and important in maintaining atmospheric temperature? That answer is carbon dioxide. Question number 66. In slide layout panel how many layouts are available for text layout by default? That answer is 4. Question number 67. Which of the following is not a monosaccharide? That answer is lactose. Question number 68. Hemoglobin is soluble in? That answer is water. Question number 69. The North Atlantic Treaty Organization was formed in? That answer is 1949. Question number 70. The only difference between memory and storage is? That answer is temporary, permanent. Question number 71. Select the synonym of the given word, virtue. That answer is goodness. Question number 72. The true discount on rupees 1760 due after a certain time at 12% per annum is 160 rupees. The time after which it is due is? That answer is 10 months. Question number 73. The second president of US was? That answer is Lee John Adams. Question number 74. Pakistan has Constitution Day on? That answer is 10th April. Question number 75. The International Human Rights Day is observed on? That answer is 10th December. Question number 76. wind blowing in a spiral form around a region of low atmospheric pressure is A? That answer is cyclone. Question number 77. Treaty of Amritsar took place in? That answer is 1846. Question number 78. The Iranian Deputy Foreign Minister Ali Raza Akbari was hanged recently due to spying for? That answer is MI6. Question number 79. Which of the following company is not owned by Elon Musk? That answer is WWE. Question number 80. Solve the equation. That answer is -27.5. Question number 81. India test nuclear bomb in 1998 at? That answer is Pokhran. Question number 82. National flag of Pakistan was adopted on? That answer is 11th August 1947. Question number 83. Electron discovered by? That answer is Joseph John Thomson. Question number 84. Ahmad Nadeem Kasmi was not a? That answer is novelist. Question number 85. Pakistan's national flag was designed by? That answer is Amir Uddin Kidwai. Question number 86. Which of the following institution was established in 1864? That answer is Government College Lahore. Question number 87. The destruction of tsunami is measured by its? That answer is none of these. Answer of this question is not clear. Question number 88. Bakelite is a? That answer is insulator. Question number 89. Which of the following is not a kind of non-state actor? That answer is Islamic State of Iraq and Syria. Question number 90. Amnesty International is an organization for? That answer is protection of human rights. Question number 91. Was awarded the 2021 Nobel Prize in Literature? That answer is Abdul Razak Gurna. Question number 92. Who is the current CEO of Facebook? That answer is Mark Zuckerberg. Question number 93. Butter and margarine are dash in nature? That answer is colloid. Question number 94. The protein factories of cells are? That answer is ribosome. Question number 95. Sheher e Sukhan Arasta hai wrote by? That answer is Ahmad Faraz. Question number 96. Sui gas was first discovered in Pakistan in? That answer is 1952. Question number 97. First census of Pakistan was held in? That answer is 1951. Question number 98. Charged particles from the sun that travel through space at high speeds are called? That answer is solar wind. Question number 99. Meher-e-Donin wrote by? That answer is Iftikhar Arif. Question number 100. The C unit of energy is? That answer is joule.